few weeks ago, I shared with you a strategy on how to increase your sales using precise pricing. And I know you loved it because the feedback has been amazing. So what I thought I would do is I share 3 more pricing strategies with you, plus a little bonus at the end. And these are all based on the psychology of understanding human behavior and buying behaviors, and they're very easy to implement. So you can do them straight away as I share them. So the first one is removing the comma after a larger amount. So if something is, for example, $1,300, or let's go precise, if something is $1,290, instead of doing 1,000,290, you remove the comma and you just go 1,290 without the comma, and that has proven to increase sales when there's no comma in between the 1,000 and then the hundreds. The second one is offering installments for larger payments. So if you have payments that are larger, over 1,000 or over a few $1,000s or a few, $100,000, if you can somehow break it down into installments, that again will help people to be able to, first of all, afford you, and also it will make it a lot more attainable for people. Instead of paying $9,900 for something, you do 3 installments of $3,300. Maybe one upfront, one in the middle of the project, and one at the end. And again, that's really helping people to want to work with you. We do this at our branding agency, the Business Hood. We offer installments, and it just also helps with cash flow and makes it easier for people to choose you. The third one is breaking the price down for someone, and then maybe even using some sort of an analogy. So if, depending on, let's say, a gym membership, somebody is thinking, oh, I don't know if I want to pay whatever, $100 a month, or I'm not sure how much gym memberships are. I don't go to the gym. I have a beach that I go to. So almost making me feel a little bit guilty just talking about it. So instead of somebody maybe thinking that, oh, I can't afford a gym membership, or I don't want to pay that much money for a gym membership, you could break it down and say it's less than a coffee per day. So joining this membership or whatever it is less than a coffee per day. So you can make a comparison, a contrast, so that it doesn't seem like, oh, that's just a coffee a day. That's not that much for whatever you're selling. So making a comparison can be really helpful for people to choose to work with you. And the plus one, the last one here, this again was found in a study. And what they found is that on menus, when you go out for dinner somewhere or lunch and you have a menu, if you remove the dollar sign in front of the price, so instead of it saying, coffee, dollar sign for 50, it just has 450 without the dollar sign on it, they will sell more. So that's just a plus one here tip for definitely for restaurants, and maybe you can even try it for you too. Is they found that in restaurants, the menus that had no dollar signs in front of the amount, they had higher sales. So those are 3 quick pricing strategies that I thought you might find useful, and you can implement them straight up. And if you would love more tips, we run an amazing session called the Blast Off Workshop, and you can find out more about it if you go to basicbananas.com/masterclass, where you get a bunch of tips like these. It's a 2-hour session, so if you want to check that out, we'd love to have you there. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and I will catch you on the next episode. Bye for now.